Well, hey guys, and good morning to you. It is Monday. We're starting off just a tad chilly just before the sunrise comes up. You can see here we got the lights on the tree, just a peaceful start to the morning. And by this afternoon, we're going to be much warmer. So right now I can see my breath. But by this afternoon, it won't be the case here. Thank you so much for Timberline Landscaping for bringing us this segment here so that we can be outside in the cold before bringing you the weather inside. So temperatures right now are a bit chilly, like I was saying, into the low 30s in the Springs, 23 in Pueblo, 27 in Westcliff, 9 a cooler spot down there in Alamosa. But it will warm up by this afternoon. Notice 49 in the Springs, 52 in Canyon City, 53 in Pueblo, and along the Arkansas River approaching 60 down there in Springfield. And we're 2 weeks into December. Wow. So here's the satellite and radar right now. You can notice what's going on. Notice how on the western side of this entire United States, we're not seeing much right now. We actually have a long wave trough. This is what these lines are signifying as it's going across the entire U.S. And off to our west, we actually have a high pressure system. Winds go clockwise around the high, as you can see here. And as that comes into our area, that's going to bring a little bit of some windy conditions because as it comes off the hills, it brings in some downsloping winds. And with that being said, this is why we're warm, but it's also going to be a bit breezy at times. So here's the windcast for Monday. And notice we have some isolated 20-25 mile an hour wind gusts throughout the region here. It's going to be breezy today. I always look at the wind gusts because last thing I want to do is go for a run in the morning and the wind is right at me, you know what I mean? So could be a little bit of a nuisance for the next day or so. Tuesday, it really picks up. Notice the wind, almost 40 miles an hour in some points. Tuesday is going to be the higher wind event for us, and then this tapers off as we go into Tuesday evening. The wind is what is actually creating the warmer temperatures for us. I know we have the upper level features, but the wind, the downsloping is what's bringing those temperatures up to above normal temperatures. So if we can get through the wind, sky conditions wise for the rest of today look to be really nice. We get the swath of clouds out of here. We're clear along I-25 and east to the plains. Not anything that we really need to worry about there. So looking long term beyond today, you'll notice we have the long wave trough that I was showing you here. This lighter blue color here is the stronger jet stream pattern. Wind speeds much faster. Notice how it's north of us and going towards the Midwest region. What that's going to do is going to bring much cooler air, much unsettled air to the Midwest region. However, we have this high pressure system off to our west, squashing out that cold air, bringing in with it some much warmer temperature. So temperature trend, you see this blue really lift up by middle of the week, and behind it, that means we got some warm temperatures on the way. So here's how this reflects through midweek. Notice Tuesday, 50s, 56 in Colorado Springs, 59 in Pueblo. A lot of sunshine for us. That's going to really help as well with the temperatures. Wednesday, right on average, if not a little bit above 48, 53, and Thursday, a warmer spot in the week into the 50s and upper 50s in Pueblo. As for right now, though, it is a chilly start to the morning, starting to get a little bit of the sunrise out there in Pueblo, 23 degrees on the Discount Motors cam. Here's a look at downtown, starting to get that snow off the field there. It's 31 degrees. Overnight tonight, we'll drop into the upper 20s in the Springs, 25 in Pueblo, 29 in Canyon City. So in a gist here, nice days on deck, breezy at times, a lot of sunshine for us, 53 today in Pueblo, 52 in Canyon City. Notice a lot of sunshine for the rest of the week too. Above normal temperatures are going to prevail. That's the same here in Colorado Springs. You can notice the next couple days ahead, upper 40s today, mid 50s tomorrow.